Hello, it's Marcus from Intro to Digital Tech, here with another video today. We're going to be doing a room tour video, but with a twist. Today I have 5 very special guests with me, and they'll give their introductions now.
Hello, I am friend Austin. I am a friend. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Hi, I'm Sam, aka MC Broccoli with Cheese, and I have a 66 in English.
Yeah, let's go. Alright, next.
Hello, my name is Devin. I love the diddle.
My name is Brandon.
Anything else?
No, you.
Alright.
Hello, I'm Jillian.
Beautiful. To begin with, we're going to be looking at my bed. So you guys see I have this nice Superman cover, you know? Pillows, just like everyone else. I'm your ordinary guy. And here we have this beautiful wall. You guys have anything to say? You know?
Isn't that Naruto?
That is the Naruto Uzumaki himself. All right. Here we have another wall.
Naruto's better.
Yes. We have this basketball star, you know, for all you basketball peoples, you know, I'm looking out for you. So now, I'm gonna move you guys a little closer, alright? You guys see this?
What's your favorite basketballer?
Myself, of course. Here we have, my nightstand, you know, I got my nice headphones, a DS. You guys like, any games, you know?
What you got in that DS, boy?
Yo, I got Super Smash Brothers for the Nintendo 3DS. Yo, let's go. Let's go. All right, back. Sorry for that interruption. I get excited about Smash Brothers. So here we have my closet. You know, just got closet stuff in there. You know, I bet you guys wear clothing. And next we have my bookshelf. Here we have we got this, and we got books. You asked about my books. Well, I'm glad you asked, because we're going to actually transition to my my setup. This is where I play my Alita video games. And here, I got a great book for you guys. It's called Kageru Daze. I know you guys like Naruto, you know. It's a Naruto book, you know.
Dude, scroll
Yeah.
through a little bit. Scroll.
Okay. You're going to see no pictures, because it's an actual book. Cool.
Darling.
Wait, Marcus, I have a
That's why I'm 66 in English.
Oh, what's your comment? Huh?
Is it true that your door fell on you last night? Your closet
Oh yeah, my closet door. Oh, I'm glad you asked. So here you have my broken closet door. It fell on me and it hurt. Okay, moving on. All right, back for the last section of our room tour. We're gonna look over my dresser. You know. All right, so over here we got a Golden State hat sticker still there. I won that at a raffle. I don't care about it. We got some nice headphones. Got a picture of me and my sister. I love my family. Do you guys love your family? You better be loving your family. And from popular demand, we're gonna have a nice transition to my collectible items. All right. So here we have a deformed Charmander. You know, looking kind of fierce. Looking kind of fierce. Okay. Next we have Cowboy Bebop Girl. I don't know if you guys heard that. It's a Naruto show, alright? Naruto. Naruto. Okay, next. Now we got a yellow Naruto. Yellow hair Naruto.
Naruto is great. I love Naruto.
Yeah, cool. Here we have our waifu strong female lead portion. So here we have a Nami from Pirates Show. You guys like pirates? Can I get your args?
Marcus,
Huh? What?
where's your eye patch, Marcus?
She got one now. All right. Next we have my most valued item. We got the Lucina amiibo. I know you guys got like Smash Brothers.
Martha, my favorite.
Yeah, this is Martha. Yes.
It's Naruto.
Oh, oh, you're right. I'm mistaken. That's Naruto. All right. So I guess we'll wrap it up here, guys. Any last questions before we finish it off?
Did it just throw all of your figurines across the room?
No!